Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new lesson, that is division. And while doing division, we have to follow some steps. Those steps I will explain with the help of some examples. I will show you 3 questions how to do. Then you will come to know that steps. Okay. So first question that I will do is 1464 divided by 6. This is the first example that I will show you how to divide. So we will do the division. 1464 divided by 6. Now see, whenever we divide, we start from the left hand. In the left hand we have 1, which we have to divide with 6. But since 1 is smaller than 6, so it is not possible to divide 1. So that's why we will take 2 numbers. We will take now 14. 14 is possible to divide with 6. Now we will divide 14 by 6. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s is 18, and this is 14. So we cannot do 6 3s are 18, we have to do 6 2s are 12. So here will be 2, 6 2s are 12 minus, and 14 minus 12 is 2. So this is the starting. Next, what we have to do, we have to bring down a number from here. We can bring only one number at once. So we are bringing this 6 here. Now it has become 26. We have to divide 26 by 6. So 6 4s is 24, 6 5s are 30. So we cannot write here 30 because 30 will be more than 26. So we have to do 6 4s are 24. So it will be 4. 6 4s are 24 minus 26 minus 24 will be 2. Next, again we have to bring one number down from here. 4 will come here, so it will become 24. We have to divide now 24 by 6. 6 4s is 24, and our division is finished. So from here we get the quotient 244. This is the quotient, and the remainder is 0. Okay. Next example I will show you. Next example, 5425 divided by 5. So let's start this one. We have to divide 5425 by 5. So we have to start from the left hand. In the left hand, the first number is 5. It is possible to divide 5. So 5 1s are 5. Here 5 1s are 5. Minus 5 minus 5 is 0. Next, we have to bring down this 4 here. Now we have to divide this. It is not possible to divide 4 by 5, but we cannot skip this. We cannot skip this number and we cannot move to another. We have to divide this. So what we do here, we do here 5 zeros are 0. So here minus will be 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. Next, again this number will come down to 42. So here will come 5 8s are 40, minus 42 minus 40 is 2. Next, this number will come down 5. 25 divided by 5. 5 5s is 25. So our quotient is 1085, and the remainder is 0. One more example I will show you, that is 2100 divided by 7. So we'll do the division here. 2100 divided by 7. So from the left hand the first number is 2. Since it is not possible to divide 2 with 7 because 2 is smaller than 7, so we have to take in the starting two numbers. 21 can be divisible by 7. 7 3s is 21. 21 minus 21 is 0. Next 0 will come here. Now since we have brought this number, we cannot skip this. We have to divide by 7. So what we will do here, 7 zeros are 0, minus 0 minus 0 is 0. Next this number will come down, that is 0. We have bring down this number, so we cannot skip, we have to divide this. 7 zeros are 0 minus 0. Now there is no number left here, we cannot, that we have to bring down. So our division is finished and we have got the quotient 300 and the remainder is 0. Okay, so see these examples carefully and try to understand the steps how we solve the division. Okay, thank you.